With all of these people in the city, how do I find locations? How do I give directions? When I first moved to Malaysia, I wanted to find a location. Everyone wanted to help me. But they spoke Bahasa Malaysia, a language I barely knew. I don't want you to go through that. In this video we will learn how to give directions in English, how to tell our location to someone. We will listen to other people give us directions in English, and we will find locations on a map. But to do all of that, I need you to stick with me. Because, first we need to know prepositions of place. Words that describe your location in the universe. And there are a lot of them. Only then can we get into some great activities. Stick with me and watch until the end. Thank you for joining me today. I accidentally washed my microphone, pinned to my shirt, in the laundry. So, AI voice Joanne is speaking my text today. How to talk about locations. People ask the question, "Where are you?" all the time. Especially on the phone. How do you answer? Listen.
Where are you?
I'm in a taxi. I'll be there soon.
There are three prepositions which are critical when describing your location. We use the prepositions on, in, and at to describe locations. Prepositional phrases are groups of words which begin with a preposition. These phrases are used to describe information. Like, on the table. In the drawer. The keys are in the drawer. At the office. I'm at the office. These three prepositions are used for specific locations. On is used for surfaces, roads, corners. In is used for enclosed spaces, buildings, cars. At is used for addresses, stores, events. These three prepositions are used with a lot of other locations. I have prepared a PDF, which lists the prepositions, locations, and example sentences. It's linked below. These are prepositions that we learned in Lesson 8, People at Work. We can use some of these prepositions when we describe our location, or need to give directions to someone. For example, I'm inside the mall. I'm between the salon at the Starbucks. I am in front of a waffle cafe. I am behind you. To give directions, we may need more prepositions to describe our exact location. Do you remember the prepositions we learned last lesson? Did you practice them this week? If you haven't watched Lesson 8, click on this link or look for the link in the description box below. Look at the map. Listen to this dialogue between two people. Where is the second person?
Where are you?
I'm between the town hall and the museum, close to the hotel.
Okay, I'll meet you in 10 minutes. I'm in a taxi on Penny Street now.
Do you know where the person is? The second speaker is at the cafe. It is important to be able to give directions. But we need more prepositions of place.
Other prepositions of place. I am across the road. You should walk along the road for 2 minutes. You should walk along the road for 2 blocks. Go down the stairs and across the road. On this sentence, go is a verb starting the sentence. And the reason why there is no subject or no noun or pronoun is because when I'm telling another person to do something, they know I'm just talking me to them. And so when I'm talking to someone, it's you. So we just leave off the you. Instead of saying you go down the stairs, native speakers say Go down the stairs. More prepositions of place. Starbucks is next to the big department store. I'm outside of the museum at the north entrance. Walk over the bridge. You can use prepositions of place either inside or outside of a building. It doesn't matter. And also, being able to recognize compass points is very important because a lot of malls or large buildings use north, south, east, and west to describe entrances to the building. So you might see north entrance, south entrance, east entrance, west entrance. So be familiar with those directions and how to read a compass. Finally, other prepositions of place. Go through the tunnel that goes under the street. Walk to the entrance. Walk toward the entrance. Go to the men's department. Go toward the men's department. So you're going from where you are now to or toward a location. Go up the stairs to the women's department. I often use a map like this so students can practice giving directions from one location to another. Can you tell a bus driver how to go from the school to the shop? Pretend you are in the bus. Mr. Bus Driver, turn right onto First Street. Go to Main Street and turn right again. Drive past the bank and police station. The shop is on the left, across from the pharmacy. This is a great practice tool. You can find a link to this free download in the description box below this video. Use it to practice this week. Let's use the map to practice right now. Listen to this audio to find out where your friends are. You are at the Central train station on the corner of Central and First Street. Number 1. Your friend calls and gives you directions to his location.
Take First Street to Main Street. Turn right on Main Street. It's on the left side of the street, between the bank and shop. Oh, and bring bail money to get me out of jail.
Uh-oh. Did you find your friend at the police station? Well, let's go on to number 2.
Stay on Central Avenue. Past the school and restaurant. Go across 2nd Street. It's on the left. I think I've broken my leg.
Oh no, your poor friend. You better go visit him at the hospital after this lesson. Let's go to number 3.
You're still at the train station, right? Stay on Central Avenue to 2nd Street. Turn left onto 2nd Street. Go straight to Main Street and turn left. It's on the corner of Main and 2nd Street. Please buy some toothpaste.
Did you get the toothpaste at the pharmacy? This is a great tool, so just remember to download the PDF file linked to the video below. Listen to the conversation and pick the correct picture. Number 1.
Hello? I'm in the park working out. Where are you?
Number 2.
We're at the grocery store, picking out grapefruit. Okay, see you at home.
Number 3.
I'm at the train station. I had to work late. It's a little spooky on the platform this late at night. I'll be glad to get home.
Number 4.
We're at the coffee shop on the corner. Yes, near your condo. Steve and Brian are here too. Come on down for a coffee.
These are the numbers in order. Did you get them all correct? If not, go back and listen again. If you did get them all correct, great job! Let's work on some reading. I want you to read the text on the page. You can pause the video and then choose the location that is Mike's Cafe. Let's do this again. Read the text and then choose the location that is Dino's. You can pause the video. Pause the video and read this last text and choose the location for Cafe Metro. This map shows the correct locations. It shows the cafe names written on the map. Did you find the correct locations? Now pause the video and make up your own cafe or restaurant names at the other locations. Pause the video and write about them. You can use the blanks or fill in the blanks below. Pause the video and fill in the gaps. Locations around the world often use signs to help travelers. So look at the signs. What are the places? Pause the video and write the names of the places or locations. These are some of the new words that we used in this video. Please write these words and their meaning in your own language. Make sure to keep a journal of all of the new words that you learn. Thank you so much for visiting the Learn English classroom. I hope you enjoy the videos. It really helps me when I hear from you, and I want to announce that this week we hit more than 1,000 subscribers. If you can't buy me a coffee right now, then help me out by sharing these videos, or go to the community tab and comment on the videos and let me know what you need. I really appreciate it.